back to my channel, and it's been a while that I have filmed, and excuse my very rough face, and excuse that and my voice because I have allergies, so yeah. So today, I'm going to clean my makeup brushes kasi meron tayong game this Saturday. I am happy because slowly yung mga events are parang bumabalik na sila. But of course, we need to be mindful of like proper health protocols pa rin. But excuse me talaga yung voice ko, no? But still, I'm going to share to you how I clean my brushes today. So I've talked about brushes and all of that. So now I'm gonna show you how I clean them. Here are the brushes na linisin natin. I have used them few days ago. So ito yung palagi kong ginagamit at ito yung ginagamit ko whenever I have like a makeup gig. Gig ba? Chars. Diba? And then I have this soap at saka for disinfection, Zonrox na color tape. I don't know if this is the right way, but that's how I do it. Kulo muna tayo ng tubig. Konti lang. Konti lang. And then let's put it here. Let's wait for it to boil. I'll just quickly turn that off. To tile. Tignan natin siya ng konting tubig. So, ito yung ginagawa ko. Ito yung like foundation brush na ginagamit ko. So, here, soak ko siya ng lukewarm. And then, ito with soap. And this is like my scrubber. So, kasi kung makeup scrubber, then ginagawa ko lang siya. And then, konting water. Running water. Done. So, yan. It's cleaner. So, I'll just put it here sa side and I'll just let it chill for a while. And I'll do the same thing. Ito na yung finished natin na linisin ng mga brushes. So, I usually let them stay there for a while, you know, parang kasi teka lang magto ka ng pasta, uy, ka ng ma-dry siya, inganaan. That's how I clean my brushes. Lang talaga ang ginagawa ko if I clean my brushes. So, after which naman mag-dry na sila, I spray them with alcohol. For, you know, we have to take extra careful just in case and in case and in case. Diba? So, yeah, that's it for today's video. See you again on my next yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you, and you'll see me on my next vlog. Bye!